Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. This is the last video of this video series. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to tell you how to improve your knowledge in Python. For example, in the previous videos we have learned so many things in Python, so those are basics. So if you want to build a real world application in Python, you should have a decent amount of knowledge in Python, as well as you should know how to interconnect the piece of code that you learned in Python. So I'm gonna give you some website that is very helpful for learning purpose. So if you have any doubts, you can use this tutorials point website. So it has a nice reference site. So if you want any notes in Python, you can use it, and it has many advanced tutorial like regular expression and GCI programming and database access and networking, sending email. For example, if you want to send email in Python, all you need to do, they have codes. Okay, they have already source code. You can just copy this code and put your email here and put your receiver email here. When you run the program, it is going to work. So they have also explained how it works in a textual way, and you can read it and you can also get information from it like that. Like I said before, it has some resources. You can use this. So I highly recommend you to read this tutorial. You already learned the basics things. For example, you learn this variable types, basic operators, loops, numpy, list, and so on and so forth. But here you can use this site as a reference site. Okay, you can use it for your reference site. Then what I'm going to do, you can type Python exercises. There are lots of websites available. I highly recommend you to use this w3resources.com, and here you can have lots of exercises. And for example, this one is going to be very useful for you. If you click this link, they have a bunch of questions. Basically, write a Python program to get the Python version you are using. So if you don't know how to do this, if you don't know how to do this, you can click to see the solution, and it will take you to the code, which means the answer. Okay, here you can find the answer and the solution for the problem, and you can learn very easily. Okay, and this one is very useful because it has a bunch of source. Like I said before, it has a bunch of source in it. You can learn a lot of things about Python, so it will improve your Python skill. So like I said before, this is going to be a useful things for you. Like that, you can search on internet such as Python exercises, and you will get another website such as PyNative, and you can also use this website practicepython.org, and you will have lots of exercises. So here there are lots of exercises. You can see that. Okay, the odd number or even number, then the solution will be given here. So there might be multiple solutions will be given. You can take your code and learn it. So this is the right way to improve your Python skill. Okay, you can use the tutorials point. Like I said before, if you type Python tutorial, you can use this tutorials point website as a reference. For example, if you forget anything what I taught you in the video tutorial, you can come and read the text version. You can easily understand. Or if you want to improve your Python skill, go ahead and type Python exercise, and you have to have lots of exercise here. And I highly recommend to use this w3resource.com, and also I highly recommend to use some website like this one, and so on and so forth. And guys, like I said before, Python has a lots of modules in it. For example, if you want to learn machine learning, you can type TensorFlow Python, and you have to definitely check it out if you want to learn machine learning, or if you want to study OpenCV, which means computer vision in Python. Just type OpenCV Python, and you will learn lots of things. These are modules like import CV2, import TensorFlow, and you can use it for your further analysis. Like that there are lots of packages available. One of them are BS4. it's very useful. For example, if you do any website scrolling, or such as navigating the website or scrubbing the website, it is going to be a wonderful thing for you. Like that, Selenium is another one. If you want to automate your browser, you can use Selenium. So if I have time, I will make separate tutorial, because Selenium and BS4, TensorFlow, OpenCV are going to be a big subject, which means we have to we can study those module for 8 hours or 10 hours, because that's very big. TensorFlow is going to be a very big, like I said before, the OpenCV is also very big. Okay, I hope you have learned so many things, and thank you very much for watching this video. So I will wrap up everything in this video, so I will see you in another video tutorial. This is Gia from Gia Tech School, and thank you very much for watching this video.